Namaskar children. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter. The name of this chapter is Where Are the Peanuts? So this story is about a squirrel and the name of the squirrel is Tutu. Tutu lived in a hollow of a tree. There was a big hole in a tree and Tutu lived inside that hole. Tutu had many peanuts in his house. One evening it happened, somebody stole Tutu's peanuts and Tutu was very sad and he went to so many of his friends to ask about the peanuts. Now let's read the chapter to know who stole Tutu's peanuts. Wait children, it's coming. Okay. So the name of the chapter is Where Are the Peanuts? So you can see Tutu here. Okay. So children, you have warm up here. Two pictures are given to you. Spot 5 differences between the two pictures. Okay. So here is the picture of Tutu, the squirrel. So you have to spot 5 differences between these two pictures. Now in first picture you can see there are teeth, but in second picture we don't have that. Okay, so like this you have to circle 5 differences in both the pictures, right? Now you see Tutu. Here is Tutu. Okay, Tutu lived in a hollow of a big tree, and you can see the beautiful house of Tutu. There are so many things in Tutu's house. Okay, a lamp, a bed, shoes are there. Okay, table is there. So many things. It's very beautiful. And Tutu had a box. Okay, you can see green colored box, right? And Tutu is sitting on the floor. Now, let's read the chapter. Tutu is a squirrel. He lives in the hollow of a tree. Tutu loves peanuts. He has many peanuts in his house. So, Tutu lived in a hollow of a tree. There was a big tree, and on that tree there was a hole, and Tutu lived in the hole of that tree. Tutu had many peanuts in his house. One evening, he cannot find the peanuts. Now, one evening, what happened? Tutu opened his box where he used to keep his peanuts. And when he opened that box, he didn't find any peanut in the box. And he was very sad because the box was empty. Tutu was very sad. He runs to his friend, the big old tree. When Tutu saw the box was empty, there were no peanuts in the box, Tutu became sad and immediately he ran to the big old tree. Now, what he said to the big old tree? I cannot find my peanuts, says Tutu. Says the tree. Where do you keep your peanuts? Okay, now Tutu said to the old tree that he could not find the peanuts in the box. The box was empty. Then the big old tree, he asked to peanut, where Tutu kept the peanut. You can see in the picture the big old tree. Here is a big old tree. This is Tutu's friend. And in the hollow of this tree, Tutu lived. Now, I keep them in a small box. I put the box under my bed, says Tutu. Now, what Tutu said to the big old tree? That he kept the peanuts safely in the box and he kept that box under his bed. I keep them in a small box. I put the box under my bed. Soon Chirpy the bird comes and sits on a branch above Tutu. Why are you sad? She asked Tutu. Someone has taken the peanut, says the tree. Now, after some time, soon what happened? A bird. You can see the bird. The name of this bird is Chirpy. Soon what happened? Chirpy the bird came to Tutu and she sat on a branch that was above Tutu. Okay, that was above Tutu and Chirpy sat on that branch and she asked Tutu why he was sad. Now, Tutu was very sad. Now, the old tree replied to the bird. He said, Tutu is sad because he couldn't find his peanuts. Somebody has taken peanuts from the box. I cannot help you, says Chirpy and flies away. Now, Chirpy the bird, she was also Tutu's friend. She said she could not help Tutu in finding the peanuts. Okay. And then Chirpy the bird, she flew away from that place. Okay. She could not help the Tutu and she flew away from that place. Hello, Tutu, say Teeny and Weeny, the two mice. Why are you sad? Someone has taken his peanuts, says the tree. Now, Teeny and Weeny, the two mice. Okay, here is the picture. Teeny and the Weeny. Okay. Now, Teeny and Weeny, the two mice, were also Tutu's friend. And they both came to Tutu. And they also asked why he was sad. Again, the old tree replied, Ki someone has taken Tutu's peanuts. Tutu's peanuts box was empty. So the old big tree said to Teeny and Weeny, then somebody has taken Tutu's peanuts. So Tutu is very sad. That's too bad, say Teeny and Weeny. Where does he keep them? He keeps them inside a pot. The pot is on the table, says the old tree. Now Teeny and Weeny, they said ki that's very bad. Who had stolen the peanuts? That is very bad. That is a very bad behavior. Somebody has taken peanuts from Tutu, so that's a very bad thing. And then Teeny and Weeny asked Tutu where he kept the peanuts. The big old tree, he said that the peanuts were kept in a pot and the pot was kept on the table. Now, the big old tree was wise. He was very wise. So he didn't tell the truth. Okay. He didn't tell the truth to Teeny and Winnie that the peanuts were kept in the box under the bed. What he said? He said that peanuts were kept in a pot and the pot was kept on the table. Not a pot, says Teeny. He keeps them in a box under the bed. Up now, when Teeny and Winnie were there, so when Teeny heard what he said, immediately he said, not a pot, no. The peanuts were not kept in a pot. They were kept in a box under the bed. And Teeny said the truth, okay? Now, how do you know that? Asked Tutu, looking surprised. Okay, Tutu was surprised. Okay, he was in a state of wonder. Okay, Tutu was surprised because big old tree didn't tell that the peanuts were kept in a box. But Teeny, he said that the peanuts were kept in a box. So Tutu thought how Teeny and Weeny came to know that the peanuts were kept in a box because only Tutu knew that the peanuts were kept in the box. So Teeny and Weenie, they said they lied to Tutu. So Tutu was very surprised. We are very sorry, cried Teeny and Weenie. Will not take your peanuts again. Okay, so children, Teeny and Weenie, they stole the peanuts from the box, and then they could not tell this to Tutu. So Tutu was very angry, he was very surprised. And Teeny and Weenie, when they came to know ki now Tutu found out ki who has stolen the peanuts. Teeny and Weenie, they started crying, and they then promised to Tutu that they'll not take peanuts again. So children, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Okay. So now, see children, in this chapter, Teeny and Weenie were Tutu's friend, but they lied to Tutu. They didn't tell the truth. Okay. So we should not do this. We should not lie to our friends, to our relatives. Okay. And we should not do this thing. Teeny and Weenie were friends and then they stole Tutu's things. Should we do that? No. Without any permission, we shouldn't take anything from anyone. You know? We should take permission first before taking the things, and then we should thank to that person. Okay. So if you are friend or if you are friend, then should you tell a lie to your friend? No. Okay. So I hope you have understood this chapter. Okay, so read the chapter, keep learning and keep smiling. Okay.